I needed to go to the grocery store today. I had just one thing to pick up. I don't always make a list when I shop. I usually just walk through the store and see what I need. The store was busy. There were a lot of people there. Carts were moving slowly in every direction. I grabbed a basket near the door and walked in. I wasn't in a hurry. I started in the bread section. I found a good loaf and put it in my basket. Then I stopped at the dairy section. I picked up a carton of milk and kept walking. I picked up some eggs. Then I saw a bag of rice on the shelf. That went in too. I stopped near the pasta section for a moment. I didn't need pasta, but I looked anyways. I walked through the rest of the store slowly. I picked up a few more things along the way. Near the back of the store, I saw my neighbor. We made eye contact at the same time. I gave a small wave. He waved back. We both kept walking. After a while, my basket was pretty full. I headed toward the front of the store. I went to the self-checkout area. I waited. When it was my turn, I put my basket down and started scanning. Bread, milk, eggs, rice, everything went through quickly. I scanned the last item, and then I remembered I had forgotten the one thing I came for. I stood there for a moment. I thought about going back to get it, but there was a line behind me. People were waiting. I made a decision. I didn't really need it today. I paid for everything and picked up my bags. On the way home, I thought about it. I had come to the store for one thing. I was going home without it. My bags were full, so maybe I did need to go to the store after all. Just not for that one thing.